Hi everybody, it's Adam. Another video modeling lesson today. It's about building with Legos. So let's get to it. Here we go. I have lots of toys right here in front of me. Working hard, I've managed to build a car. This car has wheels on it. For your emerging learners, this is really a good activity to take and to press the Legos together to make something that you like. You can start something very simple and push in. Good job looking, kids, for pushing the Legos together, and you can make stacks and patterns if that is what your child is into. If they're interested in just building something different, that's okay. So again, we're just working on pressing the Legos together. Here's another example where I had something that I pushed together. If I don't like it, I can take it apart and change it, and that's okay. So you can make something completely different or move it back the same. I might even add a little piece to it and then turn it into something different in front of you. If it gets stuck, we keep on trying until we make something that can spin or twirl or stand on its own. This is one, it's the top of a helicopter. Pretty cool. You can always look for wheels if you want something to go, go, go. So Mr. Adam can make something like this. Put these wheels on and we have the start of a car that can go. Nice work. Good job, kids. For you early learners out there, thanks for looking about how to play with Legos. Nice work.